Good evening, I'm Norah O'Donnell, and thank you for being with us. And we are going to begin tonight with that breaking news. After the president's only surviving son today pleaded guilty to 9 charges of tax evasion and falsifying tax returns. And tonight we are hearing from Hunter Biden about why the sudden change in his legal strategy, as this move will avoid a lengthy and embarrassing trial for the Biden family. But what we do know is that this development was not part of a plea deal, and it does set up the possibility that the president's son could spend decades behind bars, and raises new questions about the chance of a pardon from President Biden. CBS's Scott MacFarlane reports the surprise move came as jury selection was getting underway.
Hunter Biden, who was convicted by a jury in Delaware in June of unlawfully possessing a gun, is trying to avoid a second criminal trial this year. He's charged in California with allegedly scheming to avoid paying at least $1.4 million in income taxes. But in a surprise move ahead of jury selection today, Biden's attorneys acknowledged the evidence is overwhelming and offered for Biden to plead guilty.
Hunter decided to enter his plea to protect those he loves from unnecessary hurt and cruel humiliation. Hunter put his family first today.
An unorthodox, unexpected move in the federal court system where guilty pleas typically come with plenty of warning, and only after negotiations and agreement with the prosecutors.
Among the many things that were unusual today is the fact that it appears that what Hunter Biden is offering is to plead guilty to all the charges, but in exchange for nothing.
At first, prosecutors protested because in Biden's initial offer today, his attorney said he'd plead guilty but wouldn't accept full responsibility for the crime. Biden already faces prison time for the gun conviction earlier this year when he sentenced in mid-November, and now faces the prospect of additional time behind bars, even with a finalized guilty plea in the tax case. Earlier this summer, the president said this about the idea of a pardon.
I abide by the jury decision, and I will do that, and I will not pardon him.
In a statement he just issued, Hunter Biden said he was concerned a trial would cause anguish and that he didn't want to put his family through that. Norah.
You know, the president made those comments about a pardon before he dropped out of the race, so it's still a possibility, right?
The White House press secretary was asked about the prospects of a pardon now. She says he is still a no.
Scott MacFarlane, thank you very much.